I spoke with Dr. Yasmin Hurd about the psychoactive effects of cannabis and the impact of cannabis on the developing brain.
So, in our bodies, we have a natural endocannabinoid system, this natural chemicals that are really critical for so many functions in the body, from helping to regulate how the brain functions, our immune system, inflammation, reproduction, sensation, pain. Our endogenous cannabinoid system is very broad. It's practically in every organ in our body, and therefore it's a very critical part of us as human beings, and obviously it's also in animals as well. The chemicals in cannabis works by interacting with our endogenous cannabinoid system and the cannabinoid receptors, and particularly THC, which is one of the most psychoactive cannabinoid in the plant, and that's the cannabinoid that relates to the high, the euphoria. That's what's used, recreationally. And that binds to our cannabinoid receptors. And our cannabinoid receptors are highly abundant in the brain. In fact, the cannabinoid receptor is the most abundant cell surface receptor in the brain. So it's very prominent. It plays a really critical role in regulating brain function. In our animal models, we were able to give THC to rats and able to see that there's a causative relationship between giving THC, being exposed to THC during adolescence, and we could follow them into adulthood. And what we saw was that there was an impairment in the prefrontal cortical, not only the structure of the cells, but how they communicated. And that is really critical for cognitive function as we become adults. So we know that THC causally can impact on those endocannabinoid systems, and those systems play a really critical role in fine-tuning the development of the prefrontal cortex. So we know that THC can alter the prefrontal cortical cells, both in their morphology, in the expression of genes in those cells that are important for connectivity and function of how these prefrontal cortical cells regulate other structures.
Thank you for watching this video. We publish new videos every week, so if you enjoy this sort of content, please like and subscribe to the channel.